Hello, you're welcome to this video. My name is Shedrack, and I'm a full stack web developer and also an evangelist on telecom business in Nigeria. Yeah, welcome to this short analysis and business presentation about telecom business. So, being in the industry for a long time, give me a more clearer pictures and perspective to present business opportunity, especially when you talk about telecom for you. And then the reason why you are subscribed to the channel is because of the fact that you actually need to learn how to start and run a perfect telecom business in Nigeria. So whenever we have an opportunity for you, I always bring it on the doorstep for you, especially on the early stage, so you can actually participate. That's the reason for you subscribing and also engaging with our content. So having said that, please do well to subscribe to the channel, like and share this video, because on this channel we talk anything telecom, we talk everything telecom. We show you the business aspect, the technical aspect, the trainings, the innovative aspect, and also the challenges we are facing in the industry, and as well for you to actually have a right knowledge for you to make a decision as regard to running this business. This is actually the end of the year announcement and promo that we are offering for both new and existing customers. When we talk about new customers, we are talking about people that don't know anything on telecom, or better still, don't have a VTU website. This video is going to help you, right? Now, we're also talking about old customers. These are people that owns the VTU website previously with us, better say want to switch or migrate to a new solutions. Now, this is also for you. Now, pay very critical attention to what I'm about to show you. Now, after showing you that, you can make up your decision either to go for this solution, or better stay, you opt in for the one that I think is best for you. But pay very critical attention to this video so you can actually understand the process that you have to own this VTU website that will make you nothing less than 300K every month on this business. Now, this is a successional business. When I talk about successional business, we're talking about a business that has the capacity to multiply income for you. Now, if you are grabbing this opportunity, make sure that you pay attention to the functions of how your VTU website will look like. So on this video, I'm going to take you a tower view of everything, giving you the picture of how the website will look like, how it will relate to your client, how it will relate to you as an admin, and probably show you the business aspects, and then show you the reason to get started right now, because this is like the free giveaway video prize for those of you that are going to take action this month, next month, and January. Okay, if you don't take action within this range, the price have to stepping up. Okay, we are looking at it to get to a height at which other packages are, because this particular solution is new and custom built specifically to enable you start this business on a very good ground. When you talk about a very good ground, is this: everything is laid down for your clients to actually interact with the application, from the concept of logging into the official homepage and also to interacting with the application. So we are not like in any way trying to debate other solutions we have on ground, but this particular solution is built upon a very good framework that enables your client to interact with your website effectively, starting from the very moment they step into the website. To get started, to demonstrate what we are saying on this video, kindly go to onedatasub.com, okay, .ng, onedatasub.com.ng. I'm going to still leave the link in the description of this video. Once you're on onedatasub.com.ng, it is a full-blown platform that you can start with as a vendor and also as a reseller or maybe a portal owner. On this place, you can see some call to actions, like you can buy products on this platform. So you can buy airtime product. Airtime VTU is here, okay? Now, if you go at the top section here, you have to see there is a notification bar that gives you a kind of what is happening, okay? So you as an admin can decide whatever that's the message that will come here. So there is also a call to action, jQuery behavior here. Then there's going to be a login for those of people that are accessing the system with their desktop. We are going to see that there's going to be login register at the right topmost hand side, right? Now there is also a menu navigation. These are also obtainable for people that are viewing from the desktop view, right? So, but if you are viewing from the mobile, you may not actually see all this, okay? But I'm going to still switch this system to this presentation to mobile view to show you exactly how the mobile system look like. This is the perfect solution that you have been waiting for, because everything is mobile friendly in the process. So you can actually be rest assured that you are getting a robust solutions that will give you peace of mind. So here is have to do with listing of the services, which is, you can see airtime, VTU, you can see data, you can see cable subscription here. So you can see the list keep going on. You can see electricity, all the discos in Nigeria is actually here. You can see it. Then if you also go further, you're able to see other services, Airtime to cash, and then VTU setup system is here. But then before we go to the VTU setup system, I'm going to tower the app for you. But before I do the towering of the app for you, I'm going to show you a very good features on this application, which is the pricing sections. Other application will be building, we don't have something like this. What is the pricing section? It helps their customers to have an informed decision of how the price mechanism of your website looks like, even before they opt into the actual application. So you can see the pricing section here. And then, by the way, you can register as a vendor, as a client, a customer on this platform, because the services are very cheap and affordable, right? So you can see the prices at the moment. I won't talk about the moment because the prices of products or commodity can change based on the market conditions. So the moment here, you can see that 1 gig for MTN is going for 220 for normal regular users. We can see it here, 220 for normal regular. Then for resellers, people that want to be reselling the product is going for 217, while the top users or the API users, they're getting it at 215 at the moment of recording this video. So you can see right away. If you also go down, you can see other prices. You can see other prices on the system, which is Glo, Airtel, and the 9 Mobile. So I would say this, let's proceed to the what's it called, to the app section. Okay, now I'm going to turn this to a mobile view, because most of us are making use of mobile devices. So let me just show you a few things before I will show you the business aspect and then how to get started. So if you turn up here the mobile view, this is how it's going to look like. Why I'm sounding this, because I want to be showing you exactly what you are getting when you are ordering for this solution. So you shouldn't come and say, Shedrack, you should have told me now that this is how the mobile is going to look like. So you have to go through this video critically before you make up your mind. So in the mobile view, this is how it's going to look like. You're going to have this, the same call to action is there. Then at the footer section, you can see there is home, there is login, there is register. This is the call to action you can use to navigate the system. That is for your users, right? So normally every application or every systems, everybody have to watch, start by what's called logging in into the system. So I'm going to just click on login, and then here you have to create accounts, right? So you have to create accounts on the system. But if you already have existing accounts, you can log in. So how do you create accounts? Simply click on this. You can see this new user. Are you a new user? I can see it here, create account. So since I'm not a new user, I'm going to log into the existing account. But before I do that, let me walk you step on how to create a new account. So I'm just going to click on create. So on this place, you'll be able to see that here it will bear a logo of your company, which of course you can see right away. So I'm just going to type in, for instance, maybe I will type, maybe this is Shedrack. Okay, so you can type here real detail here, guys. Okay, type here real details. You have to demonstrate the system to make sure that everything is working. Do not go and make payment, and at the same time, it did not get. It's not what you are thinking. So take a very big, deep breath, and make sure you put your right details here. Right? Yeah. Email is very important, because this time we send OTPs to this. So once you are done with filling up the form like this, you simply click on continue, right? So you simply click on continue. So once you click on continue, you select your state of residence, okay? So if you base in Lagos, you select Lagos. If you base in another state, please do select another state. So you put your password here, put your password here, you put your, confirm your password, then put your PIN. The PIN is very important. The PIN is 4-digit number that will enable you to do transaction on the application. So make sure you put the right PIN. So having said that, let's go to the login provider. Once you click on register, this time we send you OTPs, which you need to use to confirm. And once you confirm, the system will now give you welcome message. Now here, you just have to put your phone number. So I'm just going to log into an existing phone number. Just log into the existing phone number. And then click on login. So once you are logged in into the system, you will see the notification message. This is like a message that will prompt everybody to understand what is going on the platform. So make sure you read it critically. Then you can also enable that as an admin. So you click OK. So on this place, you'll be able to see here that this is the name, which is my name here, Onyema. And then you can see here, I can fund wallet. This is their balance. This is my referral commissions for if I'm referring users in the system. So coming here, you see some improved innovative aspect of the app itself is this. You can own a V2 website here by clicking here. But before I go to that own a V2 website, I'm going to show you some other things. You can also see download mobile app. So when you click on this download mobile app, the system automatically start to download the application, right? So your users can have the access to download the application directly from the website, even without leaving, going anywhere at all. It is instant, okay? So there is also a homepage. The homepage will take the users to the what's it called, to the home page, right? So Fund Wallet will now enable the clients to load money to the system. So if I click on this Fund Wallet right now, just a case study, the auto bank is disabled for the moment, so you can also enable that for your users, okay? But note that the auto bank still have kind of the issue I raised on my previous video about auto banking is still here. Make sure you pay attention to that. So you may enable auto banking for those of you that have accounts from Monify within the space of 2020 when Modify started. It will work perfectly. But if you don't, within this, maybe you have a new account, you may not be able to work properly. So that's what I will always recommend. You pay attention and watch, go through the video. But apart from auto banking here, there is also a card payment option, which is Paystack. Is 100% supports the system supports the automation of Paystack in this application. Then we also have the manual. The manual here gives you ability to pay into a company account, of course, or a personal account. In this case now, this is the account you have to pay. So once you are paid to this account, for those of you that are vendor that want to go in for this business with this platform, which is datasub.com.ng, this is the account you have to pay. It's very safe, and this is the time frame at which you can pay, and it will get credited within 1 to 3 minutes, 1 to 10 minutes, I mean to say. So make your payment to this account. Either you are going for the V2 website and you want to demonstrate whether the system is delivering product, because the whole essence of the system V2 website like this is ability to deliver products, not even funding, because people are not directing the whole process that it's going to be a funding issue. Okay, what if someone now finally fund the account and they cannot transact on your V2 website? So you must be paying attention to product delivering, not just funding. Okay, so make your funding into this account and then come to the home page. You have to see the reflection of the money on your accounts here. So quickly, I'm going to do a transaction just to give you a clearer picture. If you come here, you see the services sections. The services section give you every details about the services that is obtainable on the application. Okay, now this is a whole custom new solutions, guys. Now, this solution comes with a lot of things, so I don't want to go into deeper explanation of some of them for you, but I'm just going to highlight a few of them. One of the training products in telecom business in Nigeria stands today is airtime and data. So other products are also good, but I'm showing you that these are the training products. So quickly, I'm going to just click on buy airtime just to give you a kind of view of how to do transaction for those of you that are new. But if you are not new, please keep to it, a section that you think is okay for you to get started. So click on MTN. I just want to use MTN for now, right? So I'm just going to put my line there. Let's start with that. So the system has identifier, which enable you to identify the network to know if it is the right network that you selected. If it's not the right network, the system will not process it. So here I'm going to enter amount. Remember, this is a mobile view of the whole thing, and then it gives you the ability to see how the mobile system will look like. Okay, so I'm just going to click on continue. Then here I'm going to put my PIN. Okay, I think this is the PIN. If I'm right, if I'm not, I think yeah. So you can see it, I'm right. And then the system, boom, you can see the airtime recharge was successful. Okay. So that is the first thing, getting things right, making sure that everything is okay. So if you also come here, you can buy on other network, okay? And as I'm recharging, I'm getting value for my recharge instantly. So like I have Airtel, I can put and recharge Airtel VTU, another network. So quickly, let me also take you to data. But before I take you to data, there is something I want to show you quickly. You remember I told you this is a mobile-friendly application. So if you go here, the users is going to see the call to action to navigate the services. And then if you go down at the footer section, you'll be able to see here that several things here. You can see it here, right? You can see. You can see. So this alone gives you the ability to see that everything is mobile friendly. So here, let me just click on data. Okay, so I'm going to select MTN, SME, and then you can see here, I'm going to select 1 gig. You can see it, 1 gig is 220 for a subscriber. People that are just a kind of subscriber. Subscribers are people that, okay, they just registered on your website. They have not even upgraded on your website. They are called subscribers. So you can give them a good rate from the system, okay? So I'm just like towering the application, because if you really want to buy a solution, you should not just focus on what the solution is doing, but focus on the functionality. So I'm just going to click on buy data, then click on, then make sure I put my PIN, and then click on continue. So this can be done anytime, even in midnight. You can see the data has just been given to that particular phone. Everything is instant, guys. The delivering is very fast. And that is the beauty of it. You can also buy other network, okay? This is MTN, but let me just buy that of Airtel. So just to, this is Airtel, they had 215. You can see it. So I'm going to just put buy Airtel. I'm just going to buy Airtel. So just to give you that this solution that we're offering you is the best, okay? So I like to do the practical aspects, what your end users are getting, not just you as an admin, okay? So I'm just like trying to subscribe Airtel, and then you can see that Airtel is 100% there. You can see it. If you have other network, you can buy, but I don't have other network. I would have tested Glo, My Mobile, and every other network are working. And then if you come to your home page, and then you go down, you see other services, and also you can see transactions. Okay, this transaction will show your users all the transactions that is happening on the application. So just click on this transaction. It will show you everything, so you can see all the whole recharges I'm doing. You can see it now. Everything is successful. Nothing is failing in the application. So having towered the applications, before I go to the business aspect of this, click on prices. You can check it on the home page. If you go to, remember, this is the mobile view of the entire application. So this is how it's going to look like on a mobile. So you can see my balance is the current balance I have now. Now, if you go down here, you see prices. Where is it now? So let's look at prices. Okay, you can see prices here. If I click on these prices here, then you can see the prices everybody is getting. The services, like the subscribers are getting 1%, agent is getting 2, vendor is getting 3. So you can see it right away. You can see everything is mobile, 100% mobile friendly, guys. This is the wonderful mind aspect of this application. So you can see everything. Now, I haven't towered the whole system for you. Let's go to the business aspect. What brought us in this video for the first answer? And that is how to make 300K every month by owning for yourself a VTU business, a money-making VTU website online in 2014, in 2024, please. And then beyond that. So that is the main reason why you are on this video. So how do you get started? All you have to do is to click on own a portal, a VTU portal. You can see it here at the short link, or better stay, even if you're on the home page, you can just quickly click on under the VTU system. You can click on this, or you can click on, it is always available, visible at the, I'm going to still leave the link in the description of this video, so you can actually go directly to the section. So when you click on own a VTU portal, now you can start and own an automated VTU dispensing portal within 1 to 5 days from now, okay? And start generating cash on demand through powerful new VTU automated sales funnel system, just like what I have demonstrated for you right now. And then making over 300K is guaranteed on this. You know why? Because this is new and mind-blowing concepts that we have built together in one solution. I'm going to show you that. Now, but the good aspect of this is that since you are watching this video to this end, you have to grab this offer for a token. In fact, this is a free, completely free. When I talk about free, is this. To bridge this solution is very complex. This is beyond what we have been building before. And then if you have the access to get this solution at this free giveaway, because every year, why the price is like this? Because every year we do what we call end of the year promo. And this is the only end of the year promo we have now. So you shouldn't say, Shedrack, why is this price like this? It is like this because we are doing a end of the year promo, and this is the end of the year promo video, even though the title of the video did not say end of the year, but that's the only end of the year promo video we can do. Okay, we are going to even pin it to the homepage of the channel, so you can be able to reference this video every time. So note there is a condition attached to this offer, so you should act right now. Okay. Now, here is the link to the previous advert for the same website at 145. This particular solution we are giving you at a free giveaway price is actually 145K. But because we are doing end of the year promo, and we are also launching a new concept custom build solution, just like this tower for you, we decided to merge these two things. Because if you are bringing a solution to the market, you don't price it too high. At least the first participants will enjoy the benefit of the solution. That's what we are doing on this particular what's it called, video and training. So, but the only thing I want to do, what you're going to do for me is this. If you are interested and you have made up your mind to go for this solution, please reference this video if you are making payments. So you shouldn't come and then begin to question us on WhatsApp. Okay, tell me about this solution. What solution? Make mention of this video, because it takes time to make videos. So please, if you are trying to communicate to our support online, make sure you WhatsApp and reference this video. So this solution is going to come with a lot of things in mind. Okay, services you can render from your own VTU automated portal, and how you earn money include one, cheaper and instant airtime recharge services for MTN, Glo, 9 Mobile, Airtel. Okay, cheaper and instant data recharge services for MTN, Airtel, 9 Mobile. Now, cheaper and fast SME data services. So I'm going to show you something which is very important. So I think I need to turn this into a system view. So because I've already demonstrated everything for you, so that we can round up this video. If you look at this section here, what we mean by cheaper and instant. Of course, I've done everything recharge. You see everything is working instantly. And cheaper SME. Let me show you something that will shock you, right? Now, for those of you that are going for this solution right now, the current prices, if you click on prices, you'll be able to see that the API prices for this solution is what? 215 naira per gig. So this is exactly what you're going to get from it. So once you are going for this solution, we're upgrading you to an API user after your website is ready, right? So that gives you a very good, cheaper prices. For those that are asking for prices, kindly go to the pricing section and make choice preference, as in like to understand the pricing mechanism before you go for the order or the VTU system. So you can see automated sub reseller. This one is like a bonus and it is worth over 100K. What does it mean? It means that we have this solution. We are going to build it in such a way that people can have their own VTU website and get it connected to your own VTU website, okay? And that gives you the power of a master reseller. You know, remember that master reseller is a program which we are the owner of it, and we know how much it is cost to own a master reseller solution. But here we are giving you a kind of a fraction of master reseller system, making it possible that people can own a VTU website from your own website and then connect it to your own website at the same time. So, and if you enjoy that, then go ahead, make your payments by contacting us on WhatsApp. Say, okay, sir, I want to make payment for this end of the year promo, this custom build one Datasub VTU system. Make sure you mention one Datasub, okay? Make sure you mention this one Datasub VTU system. I want to own the reseller system, okay? Right now, we are not reselling the software right now. We're just selling the reseller package, which you are seeing right now. So don't come and say, Shedrack, I want to get the software. No, we are not selling it at the moment. So we're selling the reseller system, meaning that you can own something that looks like onedatasub.com.ng, exactly like onedatasub.com.ng. The only difference is that it's going to bear your name, your company logo, your brand. Everything is going to be your own, in your own name and everything. That's just the difference. Okay. So you should be able to understand what you're getting. Now you also have the discount instant cable TV subscription, automated sub reseller. I've already showed you that. I've already explained this. Now you earn per second through your direct customer purchase who register on your VTU portal to vend from your portal, and also earn per second through all your customers who own a reseller VTU portal with you. So that is what we call that you can be able to make up to 300K every month. Why? Because the business is transacting from owning a VTU website to a transactional business. When we talk about transactional business, we're talking about a business that gives you money in seconds, and that can only be guaranteed on VTU technology. So you earn from API users. People can also interact with your solutions. Okay, membership upgrade. People that want to upgrade to other package, you can also earn from that. Transaction income, just like I mentioned earlier. So do not miss this opportunity. Remember there is a terms and condition attached to this. The setup fee remain for the main time is 26,500. Right? Why is it in this amount? Because this is the end of the year promo and we are launching a new custom solution like this. So these are the two things that make the price that way. The price is supposed to be 145K. Okay. Now, here are the things you are going to still get. I'm going to leave a link in the seller page for you to go through the link and understand everything you are going to get from the solution. Okay, free content promotion videos. We're going to make a YouTube channel for content video for you. Then free coaching for advertising, how to advertise your VTU website will be done for you. A fully automated VTU website from data and airtime to B payment. Of course, I have demonstrated that for you. We'll do everything for you, just like what we are seeing. No need for you to crack your brain to get started, okay? You are going to be connected to our API, okay? For those of you that are always asking this intelligent question, now you are going to be linked up to our API, so you should be able to understand that fact, okay? Now we shall also develop a well-functional VTU sub-reseller page for you, just like this very one you are watching now. This particular page you are seeing right now, you're going to have it on your own website, okay? Where users is going to be able to order for the same VTU solution from your website seamlessly without even you talking much on the system. So I'm gonna, if you allow, I'll be talking more on this solution countless times, but I'm gonna go through that process I'm going to just highlight things for you. Now, for those of you that are going to take action right now after this video, and it's okay, I want to get started right now. There is something we have done, something very crazy. You can get started by going to your bank and making a deposit of 16,500 to just grab this offer right now. Okay, remember this offer is going to end by this date. Okay, one thing about our company is this: once we make that this offer is ending this, we are maintaining this. Once this time is like on this, that is 11:49 p.m. on January 30th, 2024, the offer will end, and then the price will be adding up every. I won't tell you how it's going to be adding, but what we mean to say is this: it can be a weekly, every week it will add 5,000 until the price hits the 145,000, which is supposed to be. Okay, now look at it this way. So it shouldn't be. I'm going to still talk about that, but remember the offer is ending. This offer of having this solution for this amount, which is 26,500, is going to end by when? It's going to end by 30th of January. Okay, 30th of January 2024. So if you are watching this video, the reason why I will give the space is for those of you that either a civil servant or maybe a business owner that you are a salary earner. We space the time for you so that everybody can participate. It's not the time that, okay, we'll do a video and we say, okay, it's going to end in 2 weeks. No, we have given you enough time so that if we are now changing the price of the setup system, you shouldn't come and say, Ashedrak, why people are not changing this? Now, how do you know the current price? We always state it categorically on this page. Remember, when you're watching this video, we don't know, we don't have any business relationship with you, or except you are an existing client watching this, you want to take action of upgrading your website. Fine, there's no problem. You can go on to make your payment and then send us your details. Now, these are the things you're going to get. Apart from what I've just said, you can get all this. Okay, but I don't want to go through that. I'm just going to go through a place that is very important for you, so you know what you are actually getting. Now, here is very important. So if you look here, you see that you get your own VTU portal with what? 1year.ng. Okay, you see it now, .ng domain, not .com.ng, but .ng domain. Okay, and it also have SSL certificate and 99 uptime guarantee. What is 99 uptime guarantee? Of course, you can see that I'm loading the system, buying product, everything is fast and instant. That is what we call by uptime guarantee. Now, this offer will end. Look at the place that you pay attention. This offer will expire on what? 30th of January 2024. And the price of the setup system will be increased by 5,000 naira every. I may not tell you specifically how it's going to be increasing. It can be weekly, it can be monthly, it can be daily. That is the only risk attached to it. Okay, this increment will continue until it hits the original price of tag of what? 145,000. So act fast. So this is it, because those of you that want to get a woof is very, very okay. But if you don't grab a woof on time, you are not going to be getting it. This offer is just for 26,500, and I've given you the go ahead to make a deposit of 16,500. Okay, once your website is ready and you see that you are now having your own website online, you make your payment of 10K, then get started with the business. Don't go to the next year without having a solid base business on telecom, right? So this is how to get started. To get started, you have to simply go to your bank app right now. As I'm talking to you now, go to your bank and make a transfer to this, which is unique recharge solution. This is the account number. Okay, now once you make the transfer, kindly hit the contact us after making your payment. Kindly notify about WhatsApp by clicking here. Once you click on that section or this particular section that you are seeing here, the system will automatically take you to WhatsApp, where you now send the screenshot, and then our admin will now send you a form to fill, and then you get started. There is also an FAQ section here. Among all this FAQ section, it will give you like, okay, what and what you're going to get as a result of this solution. But remember, this is not a script. Those of you that always in for script, we are not giving you access to the script. We are just giving you a reseller system that has a fraction of a master reseller inside it. So you are going to be operating the business on our server. And then if you want the script and solution like this, then this is a different discussion from admin. And I think we don't even have it at the moment. Okay. You can go for order of our script that is okay, and you can start with that. Remember, we're going to be launching a different solution, not even limited to this, like the marketplace for selling of different UI design for front end landing page, and also several other business opportunity on the channel. So do well to stick around on the channel and then get started with this solution, because this solution is going to help you run this business the way you have been dreaming. Everything is completely mobile friendly. Your users are going to love it, and you're going to start this business next year. This is 2024, and this 2024 that is on verge now, you are going to start this business on a good golden solid ground. Okay, do not say that, okay, share that this I didn't know about this. We're going to make a lot of broadcasts about this video. Then if your existing client that is you want to upgrade their website or you want to upgrade their V2 system, this is it for you. Get started with, because this solution is going to help you run this business effectively and then make a lot of massive profits on it. Use the link in the description of this video to get started. Contact admin, make your payment. Please don't go to the WhatsApp and begin to say, Shedrack, please begin to explain this offer. No, we may not have that time to explain it. If I'm personally on the person on duty, I may not explain it, because this video has already explained everything for you. You can explore the platform, the towering the system, by going to onedatav2.com.ng to see how everything functions, just like what I demonstrated to you. And then make up your mind, pay this offer when the price has not gone up. Okay? We are making every public announcement about this offer. Take action. Okay? And then let's take the business to the permanent ground, which is making everybody to be a share partaker of this $19 billion worth of telecom business in Nigeria come 2025. Remember, this is Shedrack on the video, and I'm one of the oldest person that have been talking about this in Nigeria. I started this in 2015, and here is 2023, stepping to 2024. And that's to prove to you that I know what I'm saying in this business. So get started right away and then thank me later. This is a completely free solution that we're offering to you, because this solution was 145K. But right now, we are getting it at a free solution. Those of you that are asking for mobile app, please, very important. Mobile app is not included in this solution. If you need a separate mobile app, the one that your users will click and they will download it right away from your website, it will cost you. Let admin know. We are going to give you the cost evaluation depending on the time you are coming in, because things change every time. But the website price mechanism, as we have stated, still remain the same. Okay, the price, if the price of the system of setup solution changes, we have to update it from the page here. So pay attention here. For those that are always like, okay, you analyze, you keep analyzing, maybe in February you now come and say, okay, I'm now ready for this. Whatever that is stated here is what you're going to get the offer for. So I remember host Shedrack, and those that are ordering for it, remember it is 1 to 5 days. Don't come and say, Shedrack, where is it ready? When is it ready? Maintain the time frame. Once the domain and hosting is ready, we give it 5 to. We also expect your website to be ready in 1 week. That is 1 to 7 days, because we always have inflow of traffic when we make some broadcasts like this. So I remember host Shedrack, subscribe, like, and share this video, and take action on this video, because that's the main thing that differentiates the losers from the winner. Thanks and God bless.